Their story began in the Netherlands during the summer 2016 when Ahsan moved to do an internship in the same city where Laura lived and was studying. And so they met, I guess.
When a German girl and a Pakistani boy were tying the knot under a big cherry tree in Stockholm recently, there were several Pakistani young men in the audience who were accompanied by their European girlfriends. They were, however, highly educated, most of them PhDs in IT related subjects, and not the ones who looked for a shortcut to legitimize their stay in Europe. Although there is no data available on how many Pakistani youngsters are actually opting for European life partners, if we go by the sampling at the wedding, a majority of the Western educated Pakistani men prefer European wives to Pakistanis.
Then I ask you, do you, Laura, Sophie, Gamma, take this man, Ahsan Javed Aron, to be your husband and to love him for better and for worse?
The main reason for this seems economics, not just the complexion, as both men and women have to work to live a decent life in those prosperous but expensive cities. To attend the wedding of a Pakistani friend, some of the pairs had arrived from France, Germany, and Norway, besides those settled in Sweden. Meanwhile, Laura, the German bride, dressed in white, reminded one of European princesses and queens on their wedding days. Ahsan, the Pakistani groom, wrapped in a traditional black sherwani and white kurta pajama with a shawl hanging from the shoulders, looked equally stunning as they separately walked leisurely down the steps of an elevated wedding hall and winded their way through the cheering guests to take their vows under the cherry tree. Laura was in the constellation of her sister, a childhood friend who also acted as her bridesmaid, besides her parents. Ahsan was accompanied by a sister, a doctor working in Germany, parents who had arrived for the wedding from Pakistan, and three male cousins settled in different countries of Europe. The bride and groom stood under the tree with a woman marriage solemnizer holding a cordless microphone and a piece of paper.
By placing this ring on her finger, you do this as a sign of your love for her and that you have chosen her above all.
The bride's father, a professional musician from a German hamlet, played the guitar, and an accomplished woman singer sang some popular English language songs to suit the occasion.
I don't wanna lose this feeling.